News Nation's Ryan Bass in Treasure Island, Florida. Ryan, that community also still reeling from Hurricane Helene. How are they preparing right now for Milton?
Well, Markie, they certainly still are. And to give you some context in terms of where we are, Xavier is about 35 minutes north of me along the coastline. It's about a 19-mile stretch between where he is and where I am, which is basically south, right? Where the Pinellas County line is. He's North Pinellas. I'm here in south along the coastline. In Treasure Island, you have so many communities. I can't wait to start seeing some of those trucks here in neighborhoods like this, because what we have here in Treasure Island is a lot of debris. I mean, check this out. This is one home here that's basically about a mile from Gulf Boulevard. You drive over a bridge and you hit the coastline where the beach is. But we've got refrigerators, that are out here sitting on driveways of homes out here waiting to be removed. Two of them here. You've got a washer dryer that's sitting out here, and then mounds and mounds of debris from inside this home. We talked to one of the neighbors across the street. He said that his neighbor here just had their home demoed 2 days ago. 2 days ago. After what had happened with Hurricane Helene, and now they're dealing with the preparations of Hurricane Milton. What I will tell you is, a lot of folks have evacuated. We've seen very, very, very busy roads. We've seen people getting up early this morning that didn't evacuate yesterday that are doing so today. But a lot of the state resources, especially as we lead up to the next 24 to 36 hours, is going to be on removing debris. Greg, if you can, pan down the street here. Look at all the debris removal. This is what we see in every single home, in every single neighborhood here on the coastline where these communities are, that are surrounded by water and near the beaches here in Pinellas County, specifically as they try to remove so much of this debris. I want you to hear from Governor Ron DeSantis, who just spoke about 10 minutes ago and gave an update on all of the resources that are coming here to Florida to prepare for the potential direct impact of Hurricane Milton.
We will have, before landfall, 8,000 National Guard for the state of Florida that will be activated. We have already on hand 34 different search and rescue aircraft. We've never had this many resources prior to a storm. We have had what's called EMAC requests that get sent out to other states, and we've had a tremendous response from other states. Just like we responded to North Carolina when they needed, states have come to Florida's aid.
And by the way, Tropicana Field, which is home to the Tampa Bay Rays, which is on higher ground here in Pinellas County and St. Pete, is being used as a base camp for a lot of those emergency response operations. They've got cots set up inside for folks if they need to take a couple of hours of rest. You also have mobile showers outside and units that are ready to go. One thing I do want to note, I want to show you some video of just about 10 minutes ago, right here on the street, right across the neighborhood from where we are, of dump trucks being escorted by police to Gulf Boulevard, where a lot of the beach neighborhoods are. You see this. This was earlier. This was actually a dump truck that was removing some of the debris there on Gulf Boulevard earlier this morning. And then just about 10 minutes ago, there you go, we have had about 15 to 20 dump trucks that were coming through this neighborhood, escorted by state police to try to get to some of these neighborhoods and clear out some of the debris that we're seeing in so many of these neighborhoods, especially with Hurricane Milton expected to bring record-setting storm surge of anywhere from 6 to 12 feet. One last thing I want to show you before we toss it back to you, Markie, just where the water line was here from Hurricane Helene. This is about 2.5 feet. If you want to imagine what 10 to 15 feet of storm surge is, it is beyond my reach, up above this garage. Many of the homes here preparing for that type of damage from Hurricane Milton. Markie.
Yeah, I don't want to imagine it. And so many Floridians don't want to either. We're praying for miracles. This is fueling high anxiety for so many folks. Ryan Bass, thank you so much. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.